All right, final video here, 14th of April 2024 at the Minneapolis Jewish Cemetery here on Sunday. On the GoPro 10s, we're going to work our way back to the car. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Like I said, I could probably do more over there, but I'll give you an overview of the whole thing. So hope you're enjoying it. I'll put these up on TikTok. Probably get some hate, and that's their problem, not mine. Red, I like to hail Red Goldberg. Engel family, they started movie theaters there in Hopkins. We'll work our way back to the car. Give you an idea here we have here. Sorry about the wind, but it is what it is. Got the mic on, but you're outside, always not perfect. I think cemeteries are interesting. You see the names, when they die, when they're born. Me seeing a few of the members from Oak Ridge I've cared for, have known. Kind of cool. Because Hillcrest Golf Course, the sister to Oak Ridge, that closed and bulldozed. That was the sisters of the Jewish Golf Club. I think Brookview was a Jewish golf club too as well. Because Oak Ridge was built, I think, in 1921 because Jews couldn't play golf. Same thing with the hospitals. That hatred was way back when. Still is in full gale now. I'm the kind of person I'd hire you. I don't give a who you love, religion, but it irritates me what's going on over in Iran and everything else overseas. Whatever. Church World War III, that's fine. I know where I'm going. So much hatred going on in this world. It's not even funny anymore. Well, you people got all alive, as far as I'm concerned. What's going on now? There's another cemetery out in, I'm up in St. Paul. A couple of them I see all the time. When I go driving someplace, we should get out and do it. But when you work, you can't. So I love old cemeteries. Siegel, Abrams. Said you can just see where it goes, man. Non-stop skullduggery. Said I love these things right here. You can sit down here. Harris. You can sit down here and talk to them and maybe have lunch. Whatever food they like, right? Sit down there and talk to them. Wallace and Jacqueline. Have a seat. 2022 and 2010. She outlived the young man by many years. Stone. Ah, no, I thought that was Max Winter. Sorry, saw Max. Nope. I never recognized Hodroff. There was a lady that was over at Oak Ridge County Club. She was an older lady at the time when I cared there. Nice lady. Looks at the Hodroff family here. Their plot, very nice. There they are. It's nice. at those. Those are cool. I wonder what something like that costs. It's got to be expensive. 1988, Rabbi and Shirley, 1995. $1962, they've been dead almost 52 years. 66, Golden. That was 11. There was some guy on TikTok who was a Holocaust survivor, and he had all kinds of hate. I'm like, really? It's like, that's just, I don't get that at all. But, oh well. A lot of people just love to troll videos. Holocaust survivors right here. Speaking of the Holocaust. Goldberg. Oh, good. Goodness. Go on and on. Wiseman. Like I said, I could probably do 10. Go through the whole place, but you don't overdo it. Owen Mark Waxman. Built to, that looks nice. That's going to last. A lot of rocks on that bad boy. A lot of friends. Look at these ones. Oh my goodness. Nash. Grandfather. Mueller. From 16 to 11. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. This one's nice. Very nice. Then 17. Goodness. Rubenstein. Banny. Roman. Very nice. That's a nice one. Oh my goodness. But anyways, hope you enjoyed it. A little adventure through the cemetery on a beautiful day. Oh my goodness. So, anyways, guys, see you in the next adventure, right? Peace, Middle East. Literally and figuratively. Okay? Ciao.